dish today, I'm going to make something a little bit different. Now, I'm not using rice vermicelli like you would usually see in cold rolls. What I'm actually using are these little spaghetti noodles. They are made from black beans. The other thing I'm going to be putting in there are some veggies. And I managed to get them that fine using this fantastic little gadget. You just shred like that. My final ingredient is mint. Just adds a whole different fresh flavour. I really love the flavour of coriander too, and that's commonly used in cold rolls. I'm just going to cook up the noodles. They basically just cook up in a couple of cups of water and bring them to the boil for about 6 to 8 minutes and strain them off, and then they're ready to go. Okay, so let's roll. So first up, we need to actually put the rice paper roll in some hot water and just immerse them until they become flexible, usually about 15 seconds. First up, we're just going to put some of our black bean noodles in the roll, and then we're going to put a little bit of our veggies, and for the finishing touch, a couple of leaves of mint. And then to roll them up, try and roll them as tight as you can. If you try and put too much vegetables in there, they might break and it might split or come out or not roll very well. And there we go. Perfectly delicious, healthy cold rolls.